The next right in the Copyright Act is the right to distribute copies or phonorecords of the copyrighted work to the public by sale or other transfer of ownership, or by rental, lease, or lending. This means that once you have your copyrighted material, you can have it sent out to anybody you want without having to pay a fee, except for those of creation. When you have a work that has been for sale, it is considered published. If you have only performed this work, it is not considered published. The next right is the right to perform the work in public. In the case of literary, musical, dramatic, and graphic works, pantomimes and promotion pictures, and other audiovisual works, you can perform this in any way you choose. The next right is the right to display the work if it is visual. If you have a musical composition and you want to display that, you can do so wherever you choose. The next right is the right to perform via audio transmission. You can perform this music anywhere, online, in speakers, at clubs, or venues if they are so allowed, with your permission.